guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa again. So I am going to be working on my second layout for the March Monday mini kit. I joined the Mini Kit Monday Facebook group. They have a March challenge. I know it's towards the end of March already. I'm catching up to finishing it. This is the second layout. I showed the mini kit that I pulled, and the link to that video is down in the description box below. I've already also finished a very simple layout. Again, this is another very simple layout, and these are the papers that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using 4, and I've already cut down my pictures to 5x3. I saw a Pinterest layout, and I'm trying to remember what it looks like in my head. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and try and figure it out and remember it. See, this is going to be our base for the layout. So let me think about the layout real quick and figure it out in my head, and then I'll get back with you guys. Okay guys, so let me cut the papers. So I'm going to cut this down to 2.5. You know what, making it 3. I'm going to make it 3, and I need 2 of this. This paper, by the way, measures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and almost 8. There's a smidgen around there that is not quite 8. So this is 3 by, let's just call it 8 for now. This actually also measures 8 inches. But I don't think I need 8 inches of this. You know what? Let me just go ahead and cut it 8 inches. And I'm going to cut this down to also 3 inches. So this paper measures 6.5 inches this way, and I am thinking of cutting this down to 9 inches. So I'm taking off 3 inches off of this. And then cut this in half, so 6.5. So it's 6.5, so it'll come out to 3 1/4. There you go. Hopefully this will work out, guys. So what I'm thinking of doing is going this way, and then this one goes here, and then I need this. And then this goes down here. Then this goes in here. And then this way. And then these pictures will go this way, and then this way. I want this to be centered, so I might have to move this on this side, this way, and then this way. Yeah, I think I like that. And you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to dovetail this too. Not a deep dovetail, but enough. Maybe about 3/4 of an inch in approximately. Just get that to the center and then cut up. Don't have to be perfect, guys. Just do your best. You know, remember, scrapbooking is supposed to be relaxing. So the way this is coming out, it's not exactly the same as the one that I saw at Pinterest. It's similar, but the one that I saw in Pinterest cuts the paper down a bit smaller or a bit skinnier, and a bit, the length is going to be shorter. Okay guys, wish me luck. I hope everything works out. So basically, oh my goodness, I just said wish me luck. So basically, I'm just going to eyeball about a 1/4 inch on top and a 1/4 inch on the side here. Hopefully this is coming out to be straight. Okay, so there's the first layer, and then I'm going to do this one too at the bottom, so it'll at least be hopefully balanced. So this is what you can do with your scraps, guys. If you have a lot of scraps like I do, you just use your scraps. There you go. And then the next thing is, what I'm going to do is 1/2 inch around. Same thing here, 1/2 inch. So what I'm looking at is 1/2 inch from here, and from that point to the side here. Okay guys, that's the best that I could do right now. Okay, let's look at our pictures. Okay, so I like it that way, and so I'm gonna just pull the one in the middle first, because I'm going to have the picture on the top and the picture at the bottom to be my placeholder, so that I know where to put this picture, and it's gonna be hopefully centered. Okay guys, I hope that's centered. So I'm going to put down our subtitles here already, and I'm going to add glue here because that way I'm sure that they are tacked down. There you go guys, it's done. The most tedious part was putting the letters on, but other than that, we are done. So this little family are my love relatives. Not by blood, but by love. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Very simple layout. And if you like it, please thumbs up, and if you have any questions or comments, please place them down in the comments section below. I am going to be creating a playlist for the Monday mini kit, and so this is going to be in the playlist. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And again, thanks for hanging out with me. I will catch you guys later. Bye.